Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 14, and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 6, writing signs and public notices, and we will cover a page number 131. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about public signs and notices. Different things are there, how we can follow them. So I hope you remember it. If you will not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's student learning outcome is, my dear students, follow instructions in maps, short public notices and signs. How we can follow all these instructions, those we found in a public place. So we will learn today. So my dear students, Allah Almighty, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Ra'd, verse number 3, and it is He who spread the earth and made in it firm mountains and rivers and of all fruits. So yes, my dear student, this beautiful verse is telling us about the creation of Almighty Allah, that how Allah Almighty has created the earth. Who spread the whole earth and made mountains in it and rivers that flow in it, each and everything. These all are the blessings of Almighty Allah, and Allah Almighty has settled everything in a nice way, in a best way. And also especially that all fruits that we are getting, those are Allah Almighty has settled, created all these blessings for us. Okay, how Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala is merciful, my dear students, that He has given us, He has blessed us with His countless blessings. Okay, so this beautiful verse is also explaining the blessings of Almighty Allah. One or two blessings out of them. Okay, rivers, in the rivers shapes, we are also getting waters. Okay, that water flows into the rivers. How Allah Almighty has created and how He is powerful, subhanallah. So let's refresh our knowledge, previous knowledge. Refresh that. What is meant by public signs? So yes, my dear teacher, pause the video, get answer from the students, and then come back. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done it, my dear students. So let's see. What is a sign? A symbol or a message in a public place that gives information or instructions. Public notice, a sign giving information about something. So sign or a public notice. Not a different thing, my dear students. A symbol. What is a sign? Sign is a symbol that is made on a public place, and it gives us message that how we have to do and how we have to react on this place. Okay, these are the instructions. And public notice is something that instructions are giving there, that we have to follow them. Okay, because if we will not follow them, because publicly if we are not following them, so definitely we will face a lot of troubles. It will create a lot of troubles for us. So these signs, symbols and public notice are very important for us, and they must be followed. Okay, so keep remember and see there what are these. And what is a map reading? Map reading is the act of understanding the geographic information of a place. It helps us to read maps and information from their symbols and scales. So my dear students, if we want to find any job, if we want to find any place, if we want to move any location, we are searching location, so these maps help us. If we want to search that, where is the masjid, where is school, where is any bank, where it is situated, so we can check on a map. Okay, so these such type of maps helps us to find that where is the exact place that we are looking for. So these why already, my dear students, I have given you a detailed lecture about maps and map reading. Okay, so you can see this lecture also. So see there are few public places are there. So these are symbols, my dear students. These are signs, symbols, but we can get through these symbols. So what these symbols are saying? So see, these symbols are showing traffic lights, as you can see, and it means no parking. Okay, when we are going to park our vehicle. So it is showing, this symbol is showing, so parking is not allowed there. And this is showing footpath on the road, okay, where we have to walk by foot. Look there, U-turn is not allowed when you are returning your vehicle. So this symbol is showing that U-turn is not allowed. There you have to stop, okay. And there, which is this sign is showing? This sign is showing that you are not permitted to enter there. This is like an area that is signified for any type of staff just, okay. This shows that. And this is also a symbol that where you have to sit and how you have to sit while sitting on a place. So such type of symbols are also giving us some message, my dear students. If nothing is written there, so doesn't mean you can get that which type of symbols these are and which message is being delivered through these symbols, because we have to follow all these symbols, because these we can find on any public place, on roads, okay. And through these symbols we can avoid ourselves from any type of accident. Have you clear, my dear students? Good. So see next. See there is showing that where we have to get that these are the road symbols, and mostly that like give way, keep left, where you have to walk or where you have to drive that, no entry allowed, one way is there. So you have to, what you have to do, see there is, and where you have to walk there is, okay, by foot if you are walking. So this is a symbol for you. Also there is a symbol for you that if you are walking by foot, how you have to follow the roads. These symbols are being shown by road instructions, that how we have to follow all these symbols. Have you got, my dear students? What is the purpose? Let's see what is the purpose. What is the importance and why these symbols are being shown on the road? Let's see why. The main purpose of signs is to communicate, to convey information, to assist the receiver with decision making based on the information provided. So these symbols, these signs are important, and their purpose is that they are giving us instructions and information that what we have to do and where we have to move now and how we have to move now and which place is better for us and in which way if we will not follow these instructions, so we can face difficulties. Okay, so this is the purpose. If the instructions are not there, so we will not able to guess that what we have to do on this place. If suppose no parking is not allowed, if we park our vehicle, our car, our motorbike, any vehicle, any ride, if we park there, so definitely we will face difficulty. So these signs gives a clear message that what you have to do on public place. Okay, have you got it? Good job, my dear students. So let's perform an activity. We are going to move towards an activity. So my dear teacher, open their book, and these are road signs are there on question number 8. You have to perform that. What you have to do? These are also instructions, but they are also giving. Okay, see there. Their signs and symbols are there, but you have to write their instructions. Okay, place is provided there, so you have to see which instructions are being delivered. So what you have to write. So perform this activity, my dear teachers. Pause the video and get this activity in your class under your supervision. Welcome back and good job, my dear students. I hope now you are able to recognize that which symbols are there and why, and which type of instructions these symbols are given. Good. So let's see what is there. So my dear teachers and my dear students, there is also an activity on 130, page number 131. You will take turns in group conversation. How you have to read all these. How you can take turns in group conversation. Suppose you have to speak with each other. So how you will speak? See that, and in which way? Already I have discussed in our lecture 2, my dear students, that how we can read with fluency. We have to follow all punctuation marks. So in this dialogue, there are punctuation marks. There is also a dialogue, my dear students, but this dialogue is between 3 people. Okay, 3 characters are there. So perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back and good job. I hope now you are able to read with fluency and accuracy. Well done. So what's our homework for today? When you go home from school, observe different public notices and signs, draw 5 of them and write what those notices are and signs mean. Okay, so you will judge that, my dear students. Is it clear? So while going to school, home from school, so you will judge all public signs, you will draw 5 of them and you will explain their purpose. My dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease, and you can provide it to your students in printed form to get that how they are able to get that all these public signs. So what we have learned today? So today we have learned, my dear students, follow instructions in maps, short public notices and signs. We also learned all these things through practically. Okay, so now we are able how we can get public signs in a nice way. So I hope you remember it, and my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot and you got that how we can follow instructions being given on the road. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.